And we could see patchy frost in a few locations this morning, but our moisture is just not there. We're under very dry air right now and a very cold air mass, and that is why we are seeing those chilly temperatures today. On top of that, we have some clear skies this morning. But let's get to that storm. I do want to kind of prepare you of what you can expect. This is really going to start late tonight. Really, we're going to feel the impacts as we wake up tomorrow morning, and it will impact your morning commute. So just real quickly here, we are going to see widespread rain, moderate to heavy at times. Minor flooding is possible with this system, especially in those poor drained areas. We could see some pooling on roadways. We will have some windy and gusty conditions at times, anywhere between, do I dare say, 25 to maybe even 40-mile-per-hour winds in a few locations. So down trees and power lines is very possible. We will see some cold temperatures continue with that, and because of the cold air that we do have in place, some of our mountaintops will actually see some dusting of snow tomorrow morning after that system passes by. Let's get you through today, or at least start today off. We're going to see mostly clear skies throughout the morning. Into your lunchtime, we will have some increasing clouds ahead of this system here. And then as we move into this evening, late tonight, we will start to see some scattered showers develop. Now, the better chance of these showers will start in the Santa Cruz Mountains later this evening. And that is because if you look here, we have a southerly flow. So we have some moisture streaming up from the south that are going to help develop some of these scattered showers late tonight. But the real system, that frontal boundary here, is going to start swinging through our area around 4 a.m. And it is coming from the north, so our northern portions, the Santa Cruz County area, is going to see this band of rain first. It's going to continue to move south into our area by 8 a.m. Most of the central coast is going to see this band, and this band is what has that heavy to moderate, or moderate to heavy rain in this system here. So we'll continue to see that band move south throughout the morning, and then southern portions of our area, the Salinas Valley down into King City, we are going to see that band continuing to move into our area around that lunchtime hour. We will continue to see some widespread rain just behind this system, and then once that main band is out of our area, we are going to continue to see some scattered showers throughout the afternoon tomorrow. So this really is an all-day event. Doesn't mean we're going to see widespread rain throughout the day, but we will continue to see at least some sort of rain showers throughout the day tomorrow. And then by tomorrow night into Friday morning, we will clear out and we'll see mostly clear skies on Friday. We will be dealing with a few patchy clouds out there on Friday afternoon, but we'll actually calm down a bit. Now, this is somewhat of a fast-moving system tomorrow morning, so some good news there. We're not going to see this rain just sitting over one spot. So flooding, as far as damaging flooding, not looking likely. So that's some good news there, especially for those burn scar areas. Not to say we won't see maybe a couple little debris flows, but that is possible, especially in our coastal mountains. That's where we're going to see some of the higher rainfall totals. So the Santa Cruz Mountains, we could see over an inch. Our Santa Lucia range along the Big Sur coast, we could actually see over an inch of rain in that area. But most locations are going to be anywhere between a half an inch to an inch, and then less as we head further into our interior locations. So everyone's going to get a little bit of rain. One thing we want to talk about too, as this boundary, especially as this boundary starts to move into our area, we're going to start to see those winds pick up anywhere between 15 to 20 miles per hour. As that band continues to move through our area, we're going to see gusts become stronger, anywhere between 20, and we could see a few gusty conditions again around that 40-mile-per-hour mark. And then you can actually see this band here as it continues to push south. We will continue to see some gusty conditions throughout the day on Thursday. But as far as your temperatures today, not much change from yesterday. We are going to see mostly upper 50s across the central coast today, low 60s in a few locations in the Salinas Valley and up into Hollister, but overall it will be a cool day and a calm day before we see that rain tomorrow.